Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, hopefully my sound and screen is okay. Okay, great. Okay, just want to check my comments here. Okay, so for those who are joining me, appreciate you can type a one for me. Okay, to ensure my sound and screen is working, so that I know. And of course, if you are here this morning's during my sections, so appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me or help me to share this out. Okay, so we have more actually user joining our this regular live Facebook session. Okay, so well, let's see how it goes. Okay, yeah, thank you, Roslan. Okay, thank you. So you're still holding your MSM, am I right? And capital A, right? So okay, well, let's look into some of stocks today. Of course, KRSE yesterday is bullish. Okay, break above 1600 level after I think like 2 year plus, if not mistaken. So, well, I think yes, there are still plenty of momentums going on, but of course, they have been moving quite bullish for I think 1 2 weeks already. So probably it's time to expect some potential profit taking is going to likely to happen anytime soon. Okay, so again, few things that I think we still can do. First of all, whenever you enter new trades, make sure you don't enter very far from the support level, which is very close with the resistance level. So there's the uh, Thamo's rules lah. Oh yes, I do. Okay, enjoy a very good profit lah. So okay, yeah, that's what I do now. If I look into the overall market, not to say the KRSC, but most of the stock, I think like past few weeks ago, we do mentions, right. I think there are still plenty of rooms to go for KRSC, right? So if you look into like overall some of the stock, especially like technology stocks, they're actually doing some sort of like a long term of so-called reaccumulation. That's why I still believe that in 2024 definitely will be a very, not to say a very good year, I can't promise that, but at least it's a good year. Okay, I think moving forward, because if you look into the overall market structure of our stocks over here, I think like I said, there are still plenty of rooms to go. Dufu is one of them, lah. Okay, I think Dufu a few weeks ago we did talk about that. Not only Dufu, lots of stock actually doing that also. So of course we got a big downtrend. This is during the COVID time, high volume, sideways reversal, and now this volume only this year showing up. Okay, and this is coming from March, April, and now including May. Okay, so we got 3 months of high volume coming in here. So normally a trend reversal, okay, it tends to last for some time. Okay, so hopefully this one can successfully go into this resistance, just like how Tenaga, okay, also the change reversal go into the resistance slowly. Okay, P metal also doing the same thing. I think stocks like Sci-Tech, okay, if not mistaken, right? Let's go into some of these few counters before we warm up a bit. Probably I want to share with you my view for overall market structure, which I think for this year KRC still got rooms to go. Okay, so Sci-Tech, of course, following Tenaga, I actually didn't really follow Sci-Tech a lot, but wow, they are almost hitting the resistance already. So the other one that I'm following very closely is P Metal. Okay, I actually hope that they will have one dip a little bit before I enter. Sometimes this is what happened to me. Go up a little bit, I'm a bit stingy, don't want to enter. So yeah, like I said, structure is good. To the resistance, still got some rooms to go. Yeah, there's like few of them. Okay, I think like Dialogue also started to move up already. Okay, so Dialogue also huge volume. Notice that. Okay, so break this level here. Okay, I think here and here also there's some sort of potential. Okay, potential. So if you look into that other stock as well, let's go back to my daily chart. So if let's say other stocks, like Upstart, even though the other day it actually pushed up with high volume. Push up with good news. But they also, for me, technical wise, they are doing a very nice, solid reversal. Okay, coming with high volume gap up. So of course, pullback now is I think it's healthy expected. Yesterday, pullback is a bit widespread, come with slightly high volume. So I expect them to be test slightly lower. Maybe I'm not sure, right? 1 or 2 weeks from now, it will touch the 20 MA. So if let's say 20 MA, they still got strength signal. I think it's worth to pay attention to. Okay, so Upstart, I think worth to put into your watch list. Okay, so of course now we got this lah. This is your resistance. Okay, so maybe I'm not sure it will touch here sideways before they try again, right? I think previously like TTVHB, they're also doing the same things. A lot lah. I cannot really recall. ECMO lah, one of the MYAG best friend. So here ECMO also doing some sort of like a reversal. So yeah, like I said, still got plenty of rooms to go. Okay, but against KSC have been bullish for I think since last week until now. Breaking above 160. I'm not sure what is going on today. Later I will check. But definitely expect some sort of like a profit takings. Okay, maybe like somewhere later this week or next week. Okay, so make sure whenever you do, don't chase those that break out. Yeah lah, breakout sometimes is exciting but unless you are short-term trader using arbitrage, I think that's fine. Okay, but for me, I always like to look for this kind of opportunity. Like for example, ECMO also looks like is closer to my S1 already. Okay, closer to my S1 already. So I'm not sure. Probably towards end of this week, Friday, maybe next week, it will form a nice support around here. Okay, so that I will have some sort of like a low risk entry. Okay, so this is something that usually I do. Now, again, before I proceed further, okay, before I go further, okay, just a quick disclaimer reminder. This section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call, right? So if you want to trade any stock based on our discussion in this video here today, make sure you got your own trading plan. I definitely have mine. That's why I have my support resistance in place. Like I said, right, if you are a XIFU user, okay, please go to this support resistance. Just click on the interactive chart, live chart. You actually can add this indicator into your chart. Okay, so all this is available for you. If you think that you need some confirmation on support resistance, you can actually try that out. Okay, so usually I use this to help me, okay, to determine low risk area to look for potential entry. Okay, like for example, I like ECMO, but somewhere around here I don't like it. Probably I look somewhere around here S1. Okay, if let's say market bearish like KSC going down, right? Okay, I use S2 as my potential guide. Okay, so yeah, if not, you just get advice from a professional. Okay, so again, like for myself, I do have losing trade as well. I think last week I do cut few losses last 2 weeks ago. EMCC is not working for me at the moment. Okay, but I will see how, as long as it's above my S1 level, I think I still okay, fine to hold. Right, hopefully it will hold well on my S1 here today. Try to go up higher, but again, let's see how. Okay, so well, I will look into some of those stocks. Okay, if you're interested, I will look into my stock as well. Okay, let's see. Because I need to look for other screen for comment. Okay, Joel say VIX dynamic. Okay, I look into VIX dynamic. GDEX. Okay, MYEG gangs coming back. Actually, I also looking into Excel Force lah. Kenapa Fiamma up? I got no time to watch. To be frank, this few days is very busy. After my so-called live, right? Afternoon section, I can't be. That's why yesterday not that active. Maybank, is it Fiamma go up? Really or not? Okay. Okay. 3% saja lah. 3% saja lah. Okay. Hot a bit lah. I thought like signature straight away go to S2. But today volume quite high. So far is first hour lah. Volume is considered high. Okay. Volume is considered high. Okay. So hopefully it shoot up like signature lah. Hopefully. Okay, let's look into signature. A long time didn't come back to visit already because I think they got some sort of news like Chim Hin took over. Then after that, price statement. Still a bit risky for me. Like I say, I think it still goes up because there's no weakness. Okay, but again, market we cannot predict one. Okay, I say sometimes profit taking bearish, that's why, like I say, this S1, S2, you use it as your guide. Okay, if you think that you enter right now, price drop here, you cut loss, you can take it, you take it. Okay, if you think that wow, Zach here 10%, I cannot take it. 10,000 trade, I need to lose 1,000 plus, I cannot. Okay, then don't do it. Okay, don't do it. Okay, KIC got plenty of stock lah. You can see also, right? Every day keep changing one. Every day the stock keep changing. Yesterday suddenly property got some movement. So If you miss, you miss. Okay, yeah, I think Wong also mentioned CSGP and Chinghin also I miss lah. It's fine. Okay, Zantab more volume. Is it my stock coming back? I know Wangtao today got a big movement. Okay, because it triggered my alerts this morning. But still, I think lack of volume a bit. Okay. This one also I think need to wait. Okay. Let's see. Zantat. Okay, let's see my stock first. I look into my stock first. A bit kanchong already. Wow. Ha ha ha. Okay lah. This one how much? 6%. Yeah, I should park somewhere around here. 0.535. Okay, let's try whether today I can do some partial profit or not. Okay, I try to look for a quick profit right now because I think market's a bit hot already. Okay, so I'm not sure when is the profit taking is coming, but yeah, that's why I need to keep some cash. Okay, so anyone follow Zantat? Okay, if yes, type a for me. Anyone follow Zantat? This one okay lah. I like it. Yeah, remind me of KJTS. How is it already? I didn't follow because first of all, my capital is limited. Second, yeah, because I think I parked somewhere around here, my alerts, it didn't trigger something I forgot. But it's close to resistance. Like I say, if let's say close to resistance already, your risk to reward is double upper lah. Of course, not to say it can break up, lah. But again, plenty of stock in KRSC lah. So sometimes if you don't want to risk too much, then it's fine. No one follows Zantat lah. Anyone follows Zantat? Okay, so let's look into Zantat. We have Panda as well. Okay, some of the stock that I'm holding lah. Actually, I don't have time to watch actually. This one also hopefully cross R1 successfully. Okay, I think it's good time also to consider my partial profit. Currently is a good area, 0.35. Okay, Panda. Okay, the other one also a bit disappointing, but okay, I think still fine. Okay, is count point. Okay, count point. Okay lah, boleh lah. Need to stay until the end, but of course, as long as volume low, I got no complaint. Okay, for count point. Okay, the other one I think is Bangtel. Bangtel also been boring for two months. Yeah, since this candle here lah, 2-3 months lah. Hopefully it chase up soon hopefully. Penta didn't come to me. Okay, don't worry lah. Still got others. Infotech. I didn't enter. That's why the other choose EMCC pula. So okay. Now yesterday again failed to cross this resistance level. Okay, the immediate one. Of course here also a big one. Okay, like I said here, this zone the tail zone the shadow. Okay, the shadow zone is the resistance. Okay, so they fail to cross. Volume is high. Okay, again I'm not sure. So but maybe they will retest back. Okay, somewhere around this area here, the S1 area. All right. Again, I just pop my alerts. Okay, later on I will set. Okay, so if let's say hit, I come back, nice. Then I look for entry. Okay, so Infotech I think still worth to at least put your alerts into your watches there. Okay, so the other one also is AZRB. This I almost forgot, but luckily won't remind me. I think yesterday, right? So AZRB, still okay, still above support. Waiting game. Okay, it's a waiting game. So okay, yeah, I think I covered most of my stocks already. Any stocks that I missed, let me know. So okay, now let's go into some of the stock that you have for me. HE Group. Okay, I will do that later on as well. So okay, now first of all, let's go to stock from Joel, right? Wix Dynamic. Yeah, this one no trend. No. This one, like it's a bit similar like MIEG. Okay, it's a similar MIEG. We got a big gap down. Of course, this big gap down will serve you as a big resistance. Okay, but one good thing is that this is a good range for trading now. Okay, this is no doubt this is an accumulation range already. Okay, it's sideways here and then it shoot up. Probably it can break it, drop lower. Okay, but like I say, it's like MYAG. I'm not sure when it will suddenly shoot up high volume, close the gap immediately. Okay, but if you are those that got patient one, you plan to enter low risk hold, I think it's okay. Because this one, is kind of similar like Genting as well. It got a gap down until now, still haven't closed yet. gap, the previous gap. But overall, they are in an accumulation phase. Okay, in an accumulation phase. Okay, so I think, yeah, long term suitable. Okay, of course, I'm not sure whether got dividend or not. Let's look into my FATA analyzer. Okay, 4 out of 9. So not too bad. Okay, not too bad. Okay, Resting Tech can reconsider. Oh, this one I also forgot already. The day after I think I exit, I didn't really look into it. Kind of similar Red Hill. But of course, when we spotted Red Hill also, that time I was hesitate also. But let's see how it goes. Okay, so GDEX. GDEX also lama tak tengok. GDEX. GDEX also no trend. And I think they are doing shaker right now. Okay, I think they are doing shaker right now. So, okay, here, if you notice, apa ni? Okay, this is like a false breakout. False BO lah, false breakout. Okay, and here, we do have a shakeout. Okay, but this is a big false breakout. Okay, so which means, yeah lah, several shakeout need to complete before they move. Of course, if you ask me, best above 80 cents. Okay, so at least you can play along with the range. Okay, take partial profit or maybe got chance to try to break above. Okay, so overall structure wise is short terms no trend. Okay, but if you look into the long term structure, okay, here we have a high volume, downtrend reversal. Okay, so I think the long term structure is good. Long term structure is good, but just that short term no trend. No? You have to wait for this one. Okay, if not, you play along with the support resistance. Okay, at the moment. Okay, let's look into MYEG. Okay, MYEG, I think my view is still the same. They are doing a shakeout. Okay, today I think nothing much also. Let's look into weekly chart. Okay, so I think as long as above 87 cents should be fine. Okay, but I'm not sure whether Rostan you're looking for entry exit. If you're looking for entry, this level is still okay lah. Of course, ideal one is around 87 area. Okay, this level I think still okay. Exit wise, of course, I think they got a chance to hit somewhere around here lah, but probably going to wait. Okay, so that's my point of view for MYEG. Okay, let's go into pharma. Pharma also got some time didn't check out already. Okay, pharma also a bit same like our tech. Okay, high volume gap down. They try to close but fail. Yeah, short term no trend. Okay, short term no trend. This one also here they need to cross back here for momentum. Okay, let me zoom in. Yeah lah. I don't see a clear strength. Okay, I don't see a clear strength in pharma. Okay, let's do dialogue as well. I do that. Okay, so at the moment, if you ask me, probably I will avoid first. Okay, for pharma until a clear setup is coming. Okay, Tenaga, I think someone mentioned about TP, right? Okay, again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call, but just want to share with you. Actually, I already exit some 30%, okay, of my holding for Tenaga. Of course, Tenaga for me is a long-term play lah. Okay, but the reasons why I exit first, because it hits the main resistance already. Okay, it hits the main resistance already. So I expect them to maybe a dip, okay, a pullbacks might happen in this area here. Okay, as long as it's healthy pullback, I will still hold my remaining. Of course, the break are happy also lah. I still got 70%. Okay, so that's my point of view. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call, but just want to share with you. It hits the major resistance for me. That's why I take some partial profit at the moment. Okay, trend wise, of course, is still going up. I don't think there is so-called weaknesses coming in from the chart. Okay, so there's Tenaga. Oh, pharma and GDEX for long term. Okay, pharma long term. Okay, pharma long term. Let's check. I think just now GDEX I say long term is okay, right? Because high volume reversal, yes, long term is fine. So okay, if let's say pharma long term, okay, we got high volume over here. Yes, there is a potential reversals coming in. I think it's okay. If let's say you are referring to long term because there is a cumulative volume, and this cumulative volume, actually, if you look into this gap, is a bit similar also with what happened to MYEG GTEX also, or Genting, those type of stock. They gap up high volume, then subsequently they form like a range. Okay, but of course this one need a lot of patience one. You see MREG also how long? I think 1 year plus. 1 year to shoot back up. Okay, Genting until now still cannot go back up to the gaps. Okay, so yeah, patience required. This kind of stocks. Okay, Fiamma we done, and then HE Group. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one cantik. Ayo, why I didn't pay attention to this? Wow. This one a bit similar to Zantac. But too bad today break already. eh? Oh, I think we look into HE Group somewhere around our live Facebook, but I didn't follow. Okay, but anyway, this one's resistance turns to current support, and this is like a small shakeout happening here. Okay, a bit similar to Zantac, right? If you notice a bit of shakeout, or maybe KJTS. Okay, KJTS. So of course today already break the R1. Okay, so let's wait for the next pullback. Because now it's already hit R2 already. So unless you're going for momentum, I'm not sure. Look into hourly chart for the next pullback. Okay, look for hourly chart for the next pullback. Yeah, so far so good for HE Group. Okay. HE Group, KJTS. Yeah, hopefully I didn't miss any. Okay, MTech I didn't really follow anymore. Because it's like KJTS are there at the resistance already, so I think no point to follow. But that again doesn't mean it cannot break. I think they will break. But just that I'm afraid market's too hot already, profit taking, then they shoot back down to here. Okay, so again, I put my alert somewhere around here. If let's say it dropped to around 1 ringgit, I took some partial profit, I got capital, then I will look for my entry opportunity again. Okay, MTech I miss. That's why in the end I go for Panda or CowPoint. I cannot recall. Okay, so there's quick one for HE Group. Yes, nice. We wait for next pullback. So Resin Tech. Okay, Resin Tech. After I exit, didn't really follow. Actually, okay, if you ask me, the structure for HE Group is good. Okay, it form a nice reaccumulation. It have a shakeout over here. But volume somehow is still not that active. Okay, volume is coming now, that's for sure. If I look into here, right? Okay, there's a COB patterns, but somehow it's not that active yet. So again, this one, like I said, usually COB, right? I hope you all still remember what is COB. COB stock need to wait one. Okay, so yeah, if you think that you got some capital that can put 3 months, 6 months sometimes, yeah, this structure is good. This structure is good. Okay, again, a bit similar like MPHB Capital. I'm not sure whether KC is here or not. I remember I trade together with KC. But in the end, I give up. Okay. Why cannot move on? Okay, hang already. Yeah, this one. Okay, this one also volume a bit funny. The candle is a bit funny. Okay, here. Okay, shakeout. Okay, 2 zone of shakeout. Then after that, I think after the second shakeout, I wait. Tak boleh tahan already. After exit, then few months later, they slowly going up. Okay, so yeah, probably the best example I can share with you is like MPHB Capital. Okay, not sure whether KC is here. I remember like last year or last 2 years ago, we traded this together. So okay, now let's look into Dialog. Okay, Dialog also moving closer to the next resistance. Okay, now if you ask me Dialog long term, I think they are doing a nice reversal. Breaking the downtrend line, high volume slowly coming back. Okay, slowly coming back. So if you are looking for short term, who is one asking Dialog? So Bala, okay, Bala, I'm not sure you're looking for long term, short term entry exit, but so far, no much of weakness. Of course, close to the next resistance level already. Okay, so probably want to watch out. Is there any like shooting star candle or not? Okay, maybe sometimes it will hit, pull back again, and try again. Okay, but long term wise, I think yeah, they are doing a reversal over here. Okay, so last one, VS. Okay, if you want me to go to my trick signal, just let me know. Okay, probably spend 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, to go through that. Okay, VS short term wise, so far so good. Volume increasing. several pullback as well. Today, yeah, closing above this shooting star already. Yeah, I think it's okay. Because, okay, I think yesterday we talked about these candles, right? So as long as this shooting star, it didn't close over, it goes up. Okay, I think still got chance. Okay, I think still got chance. R2 level, maybe you can aim. Okay, R2 somewhere around here. Okay, the current R2. Okay, probably you can aim somewhere around here. Okay. Again, no buy call, just that trade according to your plan. Okay, so here is your S1 support level. Okay, again, you calculate your risk. Okay, you calculate your risk. I'm not sure how much you can take. Okay, some people, 5% cannot really. Some 20%, okay, nothing lah, 20%, I'm fine. Okay, but for me, I always like to use 8%. Anything that I entered, right, normally I will look into, is it 8%? Okay, if let's say anything more than 8%, normally I won't go for the trades, even though the setup is nice. Okay, so for me, it's always 8%. Of course, sometimes I try to get around 6 to 5%. Of course, because the reason why is because when the price drop, of course, it won't like drop 8% only, right? Sometimes it will drop more than that. Okay, so I'll try to keep around 5-6%. If let's say more than 8%, then I will reconsider again. Okay, whether should I enter or not. Okay, let's go to trade setup. Okay, probably we spend a few more minutes. Okay, then we will end our section here today. Okay, Southcon's coming back because I think there's momentum in Rand Hill. Okay, let's look into Southcon. Setup not bad. Okay, if you ask me, there's a shakeout at the bottom here. Okay, very close with R1, very close to R1, unfortunately. Okay, but at the top here, the recent top, right, I don't see any weakness. Okay, so I think got chance to retest around, the R2 area. Okay, I think for Cellcon, yes, there is a so-called nice setups. Okay, it's forming. Okay, Perdana the other day having a nice hammer. Okay, so this is a pullback for me. Okay, a pullback setup for me with hammer. And also this is around 40 MA. Okay, Perdana. HM. Okay, let's go into HM. I'm not sure what's happening right now. But let's say HM need to have a good closing. If let's say they don't have a good closing, sometimes it's what happened? No data. Okay. Still didn't show anything. Okay, volume is high, but like I say, I didn't get too much excited or excitement. Okay, because in the end, still need to see the closing. Okay, in the end, still need to see closing. Okay, so again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call, not showing anything, but this kind of stock usually need to wash for a few rounds. Okay, sometimes it takes some time. Okay, if let's say you are not that so-called patient one, right? Okay, look for others. Okay, look for others. Okay, like I said, I'm not that excited right now. Okay, just that of course, let's do into around 4:30. If let's say it, for me, above 130, then we got momentum, we got game. Okay, anything below 130, I think still need to wait. Okay, end to end. Let's do into end to end. Long time didn't check out end to end also. Okay, volume not so stable is fine. Okay, media Lei Hong and M Holding. Okay. Lei Hong. Lei Hong not bad, huh? Lei Hong got shaken out. Oh yeah, a few months ago, last month, I think we talked about Lei Hong. Okay, because of this one, hammer. Okay, yes, the hammer actually hold well. Today got volume coming back. This one can watch out. I think Lei Hong is not bad. Oh yeah, Lei Hong, then it remind me of RG Tech. Okay, later I will look into RG Tech. RG Tech, yesterday low volume. Yesterday low volume and it actually supported well with upper high volume. Okay, it actually supported well with upper high volume. Okay, let's go into the next one. Again, before I proceed further, if you like my section here, again, help to support me, click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. Okay, encourage your friend to join our Telegram so that our community can grow bigger. All right. So okay, MM holding today break. I think no need to review this one. Okay, I think time to time also got people ask me about MM holding So easy one. This is a reaccumulation with shakeout. Okay, today break as long as it close above this shooting star, good. Okay, so that's easy to read and easy to understand. Background reaccumulation with shakeout. Okay, and today if let's say close above the shooting star like VS, I think it's fine. Okay, it's a good setup overall. Okay, any other things? Salcon done already. Dayang IOI crop. IOI crop. Sorry, not IOI crops. IOIPG. IOIPG. Okay, IOIPG. B tag B tag okay, tak apa lah. B tag also need a bit patient, but it's okay lah. Because I start with HM Rangtel already, so I don't want to look for this kind of stocks anymore. Okay, Kuskapi, wow. Okay, good momentum. Okay, good momentum. SL West. Okay, SL West. Okay, nothing much actually. Okay, I think that's all. Remso. Okay, Remso. Anything on Remso? Structure is good, but I think R1 come with high volume. Okay, Remso I think can monitor, but this one shooting star high volume. Okay, I need to wait for a few more days. Okay, now let's look into RG Tech. Okay, today I think we spot Lei Hong. Any others just now? Okay, Lei Hong, RG Tech. RG Tech, I think previously I shared before. I almost forgot, but luckily I set my alerts. Okay, the other day I think it dropped somewhere around here. It triggered. Then I come to look into it again. There is a so-called a shakeout a deeper pullback, or this one sometimes shakeout hammer. Okay, and then push back up, hold 40, recently low volume. Okay, so which I think that setup still not too bad. Okay, still not too bad. So background, downtrending, reversal high volume, pullback low volume. Okay, pullback with low volume. Okay, so yeah, maybe Lei Hong and RG Tech, we can try to watch out. Oh, the other one is efficient. Is it efficient? Not efficient. Okay, I cannot recall. Okay, never mind. Okay, any other stocks that you want me to review? If not, probably we'll end our section here today. Okay, I think mostly done. So once again, thank you for joining me in this morning section here. Like I said, if you like my section here, appreciate if you can at least support me by clicking the like buttons. Help me to share this out. Now, don't forget we actually have this campaign, the 50 ringgit touch and go campaigns. So what you do is that you actually can share your referral codes to your friend. Ask them to sign up. Make sure they key in your referral codes. As long as you got 10 friends, you refer to 10 friends, you can get the 50 ringgit touch and go voucher. Of course, we'll contact you towards the end of campaigns. Saying that you are the winner, then we get the details for you to upload. Okay, the 50 ringgit for you. Okay, if you got any questions regarding XIFU, anything, you just type it into our Telegram group or contact me through the support number. I think I posted the support numbers, right? All right, with this, once again, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next sections.